All right. Well, it's early in the morning. It's like 6:30 in the morning on the island, the big island of Hawaii. And our first stop is well, I shouldn't say our first stop. Hey, we're going to Kilauea National Park. Anyway, it's going to be exciting. Let's go. Okay, we're taking this path over to see if we can get a better view of the volcano. Now this is the Kilauea. Now this one is called Uke. Man, these names are always trip me up. Eruption viewing. 5-minute walk in the wrong direction. Whoop. Oh man, look at that. That is amazing. Look at that. It's actually erupting.
This is Mauna Loa.
All right, we came up here to the Uekahuna. See, I got it that time. The Uekahuna, where it's actually erupting. So you can see Kilauea behind me erupting. How crazy is that? So anyway, I've never seen lava before in my life, first time ever, and this is incredible. You can literally drive up. It's like 2 minutes walk, and right behind you, you see lava erupting. Insane. All right, we're in the part of Volcano National Park, rather, where all of the flows have happened. So it's like crazy out here.
We're near an eruption if lava bombs are being ejected.
It's incredibly windy down here at the very end of the crater road. But, that's windy. There's the mountain, the volcano behind us, and we're just to the end, back down to the ocean, where all the lava hits the water, and they have like this eternal battle. All right.
We're ready. We're going underground.
We're going to the lava tubes. There's lava tubes up in the Volcano National Park. We must see them. Right, Morgan? See. All right. Time to go in your hole.
Hey, Sam, visit the hole.
Here we go into the lava tubes. Keep on moving. Let's not stay on the sketchy bridge. I mean, keep moving.
That's right.
Keep moving.
Even the horseshoe bend.
Yes. Oh, look at this. Look at this. This is crazy.
This is so cool. This is like a ride at Disneyland.
Oh, we made it out. Good? You got your sunglasses on. You know, it's like I wear my sunglasses in caves so I can be so stinking cool. All right, we finished up with the volcano, which is right up here. Came down to the Black Sands Beach. So that's what we're here to do. Let's go check it out. Amazing. Amazing. It's like regular sand, but it's black. That's pretty cool. Babe, this is the first black beach you've ever seen. What do you think?
Pretty cool.
Pretty cool. That's all you got to say. I was saying how crazy it is where you've got all this greenery here, and then the way the green just contrasts so crazy with the black. It's pretty cool. About 3 o'clock in the afternoon here, we got up early, like at 6 o'clock this morning, and headed up to Kilauea. So that was incredible. Got to go to the Black Sands Beach. And now after all that, we're gonna finally stop and get some food. And so they went to get tacos, but I can get tacos at home. I really like to try the different steak and shrimp things that they do here in bowls or poke, that kind of thing. So I'm going to a food truck. All right, well, we're just wrapping up here at the Taco Tita. You guys got enough food to eat?
Yeah.
It was good?
Good taco salad, good tacos.
Muy bien. And Carrie got his Arrowhead water. Good. You know, the Big Island is so beautiful. It's very, you know, there's agriculture, and I mean, look at all those. There's a bunch of cows up there, but some of the stuff is run down. But it's just really a fun, laid back, easygoing place. Absolutely phenomenal. So let's go. We'll get back on the road.